Hello, and welcome to the EyeC Demo Center here in Hamburg, Germany. My name's Ralph Beyer. I'm Business Development Director here at EyeC, and I'm going to take a little bit of time to show you our ProofRunner Highlight carton system. So I'm going to explain a little bit what we have here. In this case, we're showing our pre-feeder system, which is a system that is designed by our partner Coleman in this case. And what we do here is we pre-inspect the cartons, so any kind of folding cartons, prior to going to your folder gluer. So you can see here we have a feeder system, standard like any folder gluer. We have our inspection system here, the EyeC ProofRunner Highlight. And this is a vacuum system. Because we're inspecting from the underside, we're vacuuming them on a belt to hold them up for the inspection process. This conveyor belt here then is representative of your folder gluer, which will continue with its normal process down the line. We also utilize the ejector from your folder gluer system, sending it a signal when it sees a bad carton, and it automatically ejects that. So what you get in your final carton or your final run is only 100% inspected good product. So I think we're going to move right on then to our demo. In this case, I'm going to introduce Carsten Wagman. He's one of our senior service technicians, very familiar with the carton inspection process. So the beginning of the demo you see here is the standard screen for the operator. So in here, they have the opportunity to input the article number as well as the order number. This can be tailored also to your own system. So in this case, he's going to use a barcode scanner to load the data because it's the fastest and easiest way to do it. Now, once he's loaded the order data, you can see that with that, it's also loading the PDF. Within this PDF, we've got a number of technical layers and things that show where the cut line is, other things, so that the operator merely has to take an image of the actual cartons and it will compare it to the PDF. So the next stage is capturing this golden image. So you can see Carsten is starting the system up. You can see it's captured 3 or 4 cartons. That can be set also how much you want to capture. And now he has a choice of either defining the repeat manually or using the PDF. Obviously, we have a PDF, so we're going to define using the PDF, which means the PDF will be compared directly to the sample image. Here you can see the comparison was made, nothing but green around, which means the sample is defect-free and can be used for the rest of the inspection. So now we move on to the next step, which means adopting this as our golden image. Now that we have a golden sample that's defect-free, we can go right on to to start the run. So the operator basically starts inspection, and he starts his machine and runs the folder gluer as normal. So now you can see multiple samples coming through on the screen. When we find a defect, it'll be shown. There's our first defect, second defect. We can stop and look at the gallery of the defects that were here. And in this case, you can see the thumb on the top of the carton, which is a foiled and embossed area, was missing. It picked that up. Farther down, we can see other items. There was a deviation in the print with the low ink quality or something coming through. What else do we have here? And a very low contrast color on the red color. So you can see all these were inspected at full speed for the finishing machine. Once this is finished and the run is finished, we can move right on to finishing the job and creating the inspection report. So once the job is finished, the inspection report is automatically loaded. Within the inspection report, all the job data is there, how many samples were taken, how many defects were found, who the operator was, when they logged in, when the job started, all the traceability information, plus all the inspection settings that were used. If we scroll down, Karsten, you can also see that the first image that comes up is a PDF that we use, so you can control or verify that it was correct PDF in this case. Also the golden sample that we used as the rest of the sample for the rest of the inspection. And then after that comes all the defects that were found. So these, again, were rejected by the ejection system, and they can be looked at later if you want, but the good cartons all ended up in the final run, and the bad cartons were sorted out. So as you can see, it's a very simple process for the operator. The operator does their normal setup for the machine itself and has 2 or 3 extra button clicks to start the inspection. So the next step is the operator goes to a new job and starts again with the next run. So again, what we've seen here today is a ProofRunner highlight system on a pre-feeder, mounted in a pre-feeder, in this case developed by Coleman. We have other partners globally. Systems like this can also be mounted directly within the folder gluer, which means you use your own insertion system. The machine is split, and then the inspection system is put before the next stage of the folder gluer. We have other partners that also provide these kind of systems. So again, I just want to recap the benefits of the EyeC system. Because we're using our new ProofRunner highlight system, we can inspect cartons that include shiny, embossed, and foiled material, which is very important in cosmetics, tobacco, and also more in the over-the-counter or off-the-shelf pharmaceutical environment. The system can run at any speed that your folder gluer can, practically up to 200-300 meters a minute, without losing inspection capability or resolution. Again, the system is very simple and easy to set up, so the operators require very minimal training. There's many options available also for the ProofRunner highlight system. These include reading variable codes, reading barcodes and matrix codes against the database. We also have Delta E color inspection capability, and as well as obviously PDF comparison and the ability to load parameter sets within the PDF itself, so the operator doesn't have to do anything manually. So again, I want to thank you for the opportunity to present this system to you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us over our website contact page or give us a call, and we'd be happy to answer any questions. As you can see, we have full capability to provide sample testing of your own samples. And within our demo center here, we also have ProofRunner Highlight on a roll-to-roll machine, a rewinder, as well as offline systems from pre-press ProofRunner or Profiler Graphic to Profiler up to 1200 DT scanner-based systems. So again, thank you for your attention, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully, we'll talk to each other soon.